A very good morning. Today we are going to discuss section 9 of Civil Procedure Code. We talks about civil code to try all civil suits unless barred. Okay, so firstly, civil court's jurisdiction is to decide the civil matters unless it is barred. So there are two things. Which kind of suits are of civil nature suit? First thing, it is given under section 9, the suits relating to the property and office. It is a civil nature suit. If we talk about the property related matter, so there are so many sections, there are so many things which are the subject matter of the civil procedure code. The first thing is the succession related matters. Okay, where the rights in a movable or immovable property involved. So it is a civil nature suit. The partition related matter. There is a transfer of property related matter, sale of goods related matter, then the rights of the parties, for example, partnership related matter, okay, and other matters where there is a right, it's a civil right, okay, civil right, or there is a right involved in a particular case, for example, family related matters, okay, matrimonial, custody of the child, and the adoption related matters. So these are the matters which involve certain kinds of civil rights, civil nature. Okay, so these are the subject matter of the CPC. Second thing, where there is a civil right involved, for example, in a contract. Okay, if there is a breach of contract, it is a civil nature suit. Okay, so there are certain rights where we are not going to punish a party. It involves the civil rights of a person. It is not a criminal liability upon a person. So this is called the civil nature suit. Second thing, court to try. Court means the courts which is given in the CPC and the section 3 the subordination code में जो list है, तो court to try all civil nature suit unless it is barred. तो civil nature suits में there are so many sections, there are so many provisions, there are so many acts which talks about the civil nature suit. These are the example: transfer of property act, succession laws, Indian succession, Hindu succession, adoption related matters, maintenance related matters, and family related matters. And there are few rights there where there is a religious rights, not completely religious, okay, not completely religious, okay, rights of the persons involved is also a civil nature suit. Okay, second thing, court to try all civil nature suits unless it is barred. Bar, which kind of bar we are talking about under section 9? So remember, there are two kinds of bar. Firstly, express bar. So section 9 जब bar की बात करता है तो there are two kinds of bar. Express bar means which is in act itself given कि civil courts will not try such kind of suits. Okay, strictly barred by the act. First example, for example, Industrial Dispute Act is there. It talks about the constitution of the tribunals to solve any industrial dispute. उसमें clearly mention किया है कि civil court shall not try any industrial dispute. So it is the express bar given in the act कि civil court shall bar to decide any suit under the Industrial Dispute Act. Second thing, implied bar. Implied, not directly given, but civil courts will not try. Example, law of contract. We know about who can enter into a contract: the person who is of sound mind, who is major, who is not disqualified by law of land. Okay, if a person who is alien enemy, he cannot enter in a suit. Alien enemy means Videshi Shatru, कि a warfare is going on with that country and the citizen of that country is in India. He is not allowed to file a civil suit in a civil court. So civil court shall not try. So directly it is not given, but alien enemy is not entitled to file a suit, to run a suit in Indian civil court. So section 9 talks about court to try all civil suits unless barred. Civil suit where civil rights of a person is involved. Okay, specifically religious matters are not civil suit. ओके, याद रखिएगा, स्पेसिफिक रिलीजियस मैटर, देर आर फ्यू मैटर्स आर गिवन कि वेयर द रिलीजियस राइट्स आर द पार्ट ऑफ द सिविल राइट्स, बट स्पेसिफिकली इट इज गिवन. सेकेंड थिंग, राइट रिलेटिंग टू प्रॉपर्टी से रिलेटेड सारे राइट्स हैं वो somehow they are relating to the property or the rights or civil rights of the family members. Mostly civil courts are trying these kinds of suit. So there are so many dealing with the property only, movable, whether movable or immovable, and the family rights of the parties, succession related matters, inheritance related matters where a person dies intestate, okay, partition related matter, recovery of a debt, it is these kinds of matter. All these rights are the civil nature. Okay, so such kind of rights talks about section 9 ki civil nature suit, unless barred, expressly barred or impliedly barred. Act specifically talks about ki civil court shall not try any suit, or on the another hand, directly it is not given in the act, but there are few provisions like alien enemy cannot enter into a contract. If they cannot enter into a contract, they cannot file a civil suit. So it is impliedly barred, not directly mentioned in an act, but we do have provisions where the person will be barred from filing a suit in a court. So section 9, civil nature, which kind of suits are of civil nature and why these are barred by any act or any law. In next class we will discuss res sub judice from section 10 and section 11. Thank you.